So as you can see, it's slowly just kind of coming up. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. For today's video, I am going to be talking about how to reuse your candle after you have basically burnt it down to just this little bit that's left, you know, where it just gets, and you just want to use it, but you can't because then you smell that it's burning. Yeah, that happens way too much to me. I just want to keep using them because they smell so good. And I love candles. I have lots of them that are starting to get down like that. So I have figured out how to reuse them, and I'm gonna actually link the video that I first watched on YouTube of how to do this down below, so you guys can go watch her video as well. But it's really simple and you're gonna love it. And then you can reuse your jar and it's all like earth friendly. So let's get on with this video. So with this method, you start out with a candle that, like I said, has barely any wax in it left. Just enough so where it is not gonna burn. It just doesn't want to. The video I watched, which was by Michelle Marino, like I said, I'll link that down below, but she boiled up some water, poured it in, and the wax just goes up. Just floats up to the top like a lava lamp does. And after a while, the wax of course will harden up. You just like push the top down and you can take the wax out. The candles that I have done so far needed more rounds of that, and I'm not really boiling water on a stove, so maybe it's just, it doesn't get hot enough. But after 1 or 2 times, most of the wax is probably gonna be gone from the bottom and at the top. So it's a super easy method of getting the wax out of the candles, and then you can just reuse the jars. I really wanted to reuse all the different waxes that I've taken out, but after doing some research, I've read that it's not necessarily great to mix different waxes together because you don't know if they're gonna mix well together. So I'm just kind of like, well, you know, I don't think I want to risk it. A good idea though would be to use the leftover wax for like scentsies or little, like the wax warmer things. I used to call them all scentsies because that's what I associated it with. This is the candle that I'm gonna be doing it on. I have so many Bath & Body Works candles. It's a problem. I should show you my candle collection someday. But Campfire Donut. This is my last one of this, but that's okay. And I'm going to be acting like it's like some cooking show today, and I have already done the boiling water to this candle and it is already dried. After I show you what the lava lamp effect looks like, then I can actually just have this one ready to pop out and clean. So let's get going. I am going to go boil some water and I will show you what it looks like here. For the water, you can either boil it like on the stove, or like I do, you can just put it in some microwave safe container, pop it in the microwave. Usually takes about like 4 minutes, but I usually do 2 minutes and then wait a little bit, let it cool down, and then 2 minutes more. Usually it's either like bubbling a lot or it's just pretty hot and it will work. So whatever you want to do, microwaving just takes less time. Here is my kind of, it's not boiling, it's not boiling. It's just really hot, but that's okay. So I am just going to pour this in. I like to fill it pretty close to the top so it's really easy when the wax dries to just pop it out. You don't have to reach too far in there. So as you can see, it's slowly just kind of coming up. It takes some time for it to all kind of float to the top, but I have learned a trick myself that if you kind of shake it a little bit, like shake it side to side, carefully, don't let it like spill or burn you, but it kind of seems to pop up more. And this Bath & Body Works candle is already working a lot better than my other ones were, so that's good. The best part about doing this is you get like one last time where you get to smell the candle and you're like, farewell. Now you can see how the silver parts are more exposed. It is working, and I'll just kind of swish it around a bit. Now that one's just gonna sit there and it's gonna have to take time to dry and stuff. So I'm going to show you the one I already did last night. There's a little bit of water on the top of it if you push it down a little. So that's all you really have to do. Ew, that's gross. So ta-da, there it is. For the wick part, see the little guy in there? I already moved him around, but you can just take a butter knife and kind of get him up with that because they're usually like glued down. And of course this one's, oh, he's moving. Ta-da! So now all I have to do with this one is clean it inside. I even took the little sticker off here, but I need to still clean that up a little bit. And then you just have another jar to use. This would be, I just had an idea. This would be really cool to put kitchen utensils in, like the spoon, the big serving spoons and stuff. I don't know, it might be too small, but I feel like that would be cute. Okay, see, we're into reusing things here. I do have some that are all cleaned out that I want to show you. We've been getting the Glade ones because they're cheap, and right now with everything going on, we're like, we just need some cheap candles. But these are really cute how they turn out after you've cleaned them and stuff, because they have a little design. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like dots. And then here's this one, and this one has a lid, which is actually really cute. So I like that one a lot. Now here's one I think it's a candle jar. I actually don't remember for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's a candle jar. It looks like it at least. But I put my mostly liquid lipsticks in their lip liners in here. This one I did recently though, and it's the big Glade scented candles. Like these are the tiny ones and here's the big one. So I put all my mascaras and eyeliners and brow stuff in here, and it's perfect. Like it can just sit on the counter and then I can just grab whatever out I want. So super easy, and they're just all there. I've also thought about decorating them, but I just really like how the glass looks. I don't know, I may decorate them in the future, we'll see. Since I've been cleaning so many of these out, and I don't know if I really need these right now, and I know I'm gonna have so much more because I have a lot that are almost out and can't be burned anymore. Garrett was like, you should sell these on Etsy, like decorate them and stuff. Or like, you know, on this one, my idea was like putting a little handle on it and like one of those chalk labels and kind of decorate around it. I don't know. Would you guys buy them if I like decorated them and made them into actual like containers with cute little handles and paint them? I don't know. It's an idea. I'm thinking about it because I want people to be able to reuse them, especially like if I'm not gonna get use out of them. So that is all for my video today. Just cleaning out some candles, reusing them, possibly thinking about decorating them and selling them. I don't know. But I think that would be fun. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on that. And thank you so much for watching. I hope now that you can use your old candles as new things and reuse them. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and just, you know, hit that subscribe button. Yeah, just go down there and hit that. Follow my social media accounts. They will be at the beginning of this video or in the description box below. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.